evening, Eloswag.
Good evening, big brother.
Welcome to your nomination session.
Thank you, big brother.
First, head of house, and now the fourth. Before you proceed with the nominations, tell Big Brother what this victory means to you.
Well, I feel very amazing onto winning it for the second time, and it's actually a very nice, position. The only problem is the nominations, and that part is getting me emotional because one of the names is someone I spent time with.
Eloswag.
Yes, big brother.
Tell Big Brother, would you prefer to nominate from level 2 or level 1?
From level 2, big brother.
It is now time to nominate.
My first housemate is Cheesy. Second housemate is Daniella. Third housemate is Kess. The fourth is Modella. The fifth is Pharmsavi. Sixth is Amaka. Seven is Groovy.
The issue of tail of the house. Housemates,
Yes, big brother.
listen to this sound. This week's tale of the house is expected to speak Alien for the worst performance in the jigsaw puzzle. You are this week's tale of house.
Yes, big brother.
Will the following housemates kindly stand up? Cheesy. Daniella. Kess. Modella.
Really?
Pharmsavi.
Voila.
Amaka. Groovy. Housemates,
Yes, big brother.
at least one of the nominated housemates will be evicted on Sunday during the live eviction show. Remember, you are not permitted to campaign for votes or talk about your perceived voters. This is a punishable offense.